I got it. I got it. Give it to you. No. Go get it. Whoops. I hit the tree branch. Out here, she's watching me hold the puppy. She wants to play. Right in our backyard. It's crazy. It's supposed to be a fire hazard because it has been an extreme heat wave. But there was like huge fireworks just across the field from us. 10:23. Out here, she's watching me hold the puppy. She wants to play. Out here, she's watching me hold the puppy. She wants to play with the puppy. Kelsey's out there. Hear that? All the fireworks. Earlier there's a lot of fireworks here. A lot of fireworks here. Do you hear that? It's pretty loud. You okay? You hear the fireworks? Pretty extreme, huh? High school, it's July 6th, I believe. It's been a few days since I could take Biko out around the block because of his fear for the fireworks. But I got a singleton pup here from Antares and Kelsey. He's coming over along for the walk around the block with Biko. And it's a really hot afternoon here in Seattle. I think it's about 2:15 in the afternoon. Going for an afternoon walk with singleton pup. Walk around and then we'll probably get in the car after for a ride around the block. Hey, sit. Sit, Biko. He hasn't been around the block so much for the past couple days because of his fear of the fireworks. And Biko here, just going around the block. Let's see. There we are. Nice blue skies today on the trail with singleton papa and Biko. It's just, I think he's gonna do number 2. Good job, puppy. Good potty. I'm gonna give him his privacy. Biko, rest in the shade. Okay. Good job, Papa. Good job, Papa. This is Uncle Biko and Singleton Pup in the shade today. It is, I believe it's July 6th. It's a Tuesday afternoon, maybe 2:30. Getting some rest in the shade and exploring after he went around the block with me and Biko. Did you find something? Find some leaves, grass? Uncle Biko and his favorite monkey toy. Fit in the shade? You are? Okay, go to Uncle Biko then. He's like, I want the toy. He's like, where's the toy? You got a bigger toy. Look, you got the stick here. Here. You want the stick? Are you peeing? You are. Okay, good job. Good potty here. Here, puppy. Here, puppy. Oh, Biko's got it now. Go get it from Biko. Get it from Uncle Biko. He won't give it up. But he won't hurt you. He'll just growl a little bit. You give your toy? He's patiently waiting. He's like, I want that toy. Get it. Go get the toy. Go get it. You don't want to get it from Uncle Biko? Get this dropped in. Biko, what happened to that toy? The choo-choo toy. Where is it? Where'd you put that chew toy? boy, Biko. Sucker, I got it. I got it. I got it. Give it to me. No. Go get it. Oops.